Tried to adjust the camera a little bit. So next, what we got is half of a Rice Krispie treat. Y'all,
Don't you burn that? What we got there?
I burned the Rice Krispie. What's up, you guys? Can you see my face? Back up something. Jarrell.
Bruh.
Hold it straight. So today I'm going to be doing the dry fire versus the microwave. So I haven't seen this on any. I looked it up. It's just like fire anything. But yeah, so we're going to be doing a pickle, some cookies, some Rice Krispies, and an apple and an orange. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this one. So I'm just about to cut them in half, and see which one tastes better. Because I just want to try it out and see. I came up with this idea in my head last night or either like yesterday.
But why you doing all that heavy breathing, bro? Like
Saturday.
Come on.
Because I thought yesterday was never mind. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. If you can't comment, just like and subscribe. Because the thing is about YouTube, what's going on is like
YouTube.
My, YT studio,
Tell me.
YouTube studio, I got like 100 views and stuff like that. But my views are literally stuck. Like the camping views, it says it's at 70. It's actually at 100 and something. And then my other videos are actually at 100 too, because if you go on my I think it's about thing, like click on my channel and go all the way over, you'll see like it's like about to hit 2,000. How can it hit 2,000 when it's like a little bit of views? That's not right. So YouTube, you better fix my views and make it right. I'm over here struggling to cut it out. Okay, I'm about to do the orange. That's too big. And if it's good, I'm gonna keep eating it though. Okay. Is that a plate? Plastic plate? You want any? Okay.
It's running now.
Hold it so
And then he always complaining, like, oh my goodness, y'all. Somebody he could say.
Hold it up.
Not me, y'all. I'm just aggravated because it took me a long time to do it.
Bro. Hey, my brother was complaining. I hate when you do that. Like, talking about your arm hurt. Your arm hurt. Boy, you need to.
And y'all, I didn't know that y'all couldn't see my face. That's why I came
first
inside
thing
get
what I
my
would do
stuff.
is,
Or go to Walmart so I can buy my
microwave this
stuff.
apple.
Because
I want to microwave this apple.
I think it's like $50
So I'm
or
gonna
something
speed
like
it
that.
up.
But yeah.
So yeah, speeding goes now. So y'all, I hear it sizzling. So I'm gonna clear it off out here. Y'all hear it? I hope I don't break this microwave. It's like bubbling. I think that's how you make applesauce, I think. It's like bubbling and hot. Let me try it. Oh, that's hard. I'm eating a fork with apple because it's hot. Alright.
And not that kind of
I know.
hot.
This side, look,
I mean,
this
like,
side
hot,
because,
like-
I did not feel like fully blow drying this side, because I did this side first and I got tired, so I got aggravated. Because I don't feel like doing that. It takes literally 3 hours to blow dry my whole head, so that's why I be looking like that. Because I don't like doing it. So I like going to the salon to get it blown. All right. Tastes just like applesauce, which is actually good though. It's really good. If your teeth sensitive, apple tastes the same way. It's just like warm, good applesauce, like apple pie. I never had apple pie, but Okay, next. Okay, y'all, next is this little orange right here. I'm kind of scared for this one because I don't really eat oranges like that. I mean, I do, only if it's cuties. I'll eat cuties all day, but they make my stomach hurt if I eat them all day because it says not healthy, but the looks of it, I don't care. Oh, wait. It says the girl's a champion or her own microwave. So I want to thank you guys. And y'all, it's gonna be some scary stories popping up. That's what I'm finna say. Are you coming in walking like that?
I can't come in walking like that.
You gave me a stink face. Time out.
That's hot up there.
Oh, but yeah, thank you guys for 100 views. My views are actually going up. My watch time, like, I was thinking about like 282, but I was like, no, bro, you better not give up. You better do this and do what you want to do. So if y'all got a YouTube channel, anything like that, keep going because everything's gonna get better. Especially you pray, you do everything. All right, y'all, I think it's done. Oh snap! It's funny like that stuff I used to make for my baby alive when I was small.
Come on.
Oh, it changed color.
Get down.
I think it changed color.
Get down.
Yeah. Bro, stop. Go over there. Yeah.
Stop biting.
I think it changed color. I'm scared. Hold on, I think I might grab a chair real quick. Grab a chair. Okay. I might grab a chair. Ooh, that's hot. That's real hot. It's actually not that bad. Just hot. Actually, free. It's hot when I'm trying to. It's not that bad at all. So next, alright y'all. So I tried to adjust the camera a little bit. So next, what we got is half of a Rice Krispie treat. And I personally made a Rice Krispie thing with I personally made a Rice Krispie thing with some Rice Krispie cereals, the colorful one. Some marshmallows, some melted marshmallows. And it came out okay, but I still ate it because it was still good. My brothers did too. Excuse me. But yeah, as I said, I'm gonna be coming up with some scary AI stories and what she told me. Nah. Get that. What's up? I don't care. So, with some scary AI stories, because that's really scary. Like I wasn't about to cry, but I was like, hold up. But anyway, yeah, it's about to be scary. And I'm just about to be putting like the screenshots and stuff. And it's like, it's an app where like, it's supposed to help you feel like comfort. But I saw it off of TikTok, I'm like, I'll give it a try. But I don't need no comfort, no. I just wanted to see like, it do good in role playing. Like it's actually funny. But yeah, let me get this out. Oh snap, cut off. Oh.
And you're ugly back. That's all, period, stupid.
Yo.
Don't you burn that?
I burned the Rice Krispie. That's what I get for talk. You want it, Joyce? Yo. Oh. The thing ain't burnt the plate, y'all. And I'm not trying this. Y'all. It smells like burnt popcorn. But let me get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So I tried to wash the plate off as best as I can. And now we're about to do this pickle, okay? And then we'll do a cookie. Then we'll get to the fun part. Alright, y'all, I'm not going to talk because I feel like talking just takes what I got in the microwave. Just takes what I got in the microwave out, and I'm about to do it again. So y'all, I just added out the microwave. As you can see the steam. I didn't burn it. I've been eating that apple. That apple been good. I ate all of it. So let's give it a try.
Hey.
Ooh, it's hot.
Hello.
I don't know what it smells like. It's strong though. It's short little burn on those hairs. It smells like, I don't know, it just smells like something. Enough. I just don't know what it smells like. It smells like something. I'm trying to cool it down. Let me speed it up. It tastes like a warm pickle, but it's hot. But it's good. I can eat this when I'm cold. It's good. So I'll be back to y'all with the cookies. Alright y'all, so these what the cookies look like before I put them in the microwave. And I'm about to put them in there right now. I'll get back to y'all. Alright y'all, I'm gonna try to hold up. Alright, I got a water because I got thirsty. And I am now finna take the cookies. Okay, they're not that burnt. They smell burnt, but they smell good. And this is what it look like when they get out. Alright, so I'm about to try them for myself. Yeah, I was too lazy to screenshot it and do that. Everything smells like burnt popcorn now these days. Y'all be putting popcorn in their food? I don't know. It's actually good. I feel like it would have been better if I had some yogurt. I don't like milk. Milk is nasty. How do you drink that? That's nasty. I don't even drink milk. I don't even drink milk. I just like to soak it in my cereal. So my cereal will be soggy because it's good. Okay. So I guess now I went to the dry fire, so I see y'all there. Okay, y'all, actually I don't have to use anything. Because it has this. I don't think I want to put the right. I might just put Rice Krispies in there for like 2 minutes because I'm not trying to be in here scrubbing tonight. Not me. So I want to try the pickle first. And yes, it is plugged up. Oh. It works. Now you can cook chicken and potatoes, anything in here. Let's get it. So I'm gonna put it on for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. Or when this thing dings. Or I'll probably get the ding on camera or whatever. Okay, y'all. So it's done.
That's good, man. Stop. Why you got all these blinds and curtains on?
Because, can you leave me alone? Who bothering you?
I'm 80 miles away. That's a lover.
Y'all, so I'm gonna get it out the thing. And I actually ate that other pickle. It was good though. And the rest of the apple tasted like a plum. So this is dried. Like it don't has no juice, I don't think. Hold on, let me show you. Oh, I gotta sneeze. And this is what it looks like. This is what snap.
Hey, you don't cut it out?
Hold on, y'all. Let me get a knife to show y'all. Yeah, we have knives. Okay. So, almost had a table or something. God dang. But anyway, let's cut it. Oh. It still got some juice. Okay. Still got some juice. Now let's taste it. Will it taste the same? It don't look. It really don't.
You see all
That's nasty.
Nobody told you. It's all about.
That's disgusting. Don't try that at home. That's really disgusting. It is.
What?
Ugh. So y'all, I'm finna try this orange. I'm telling y'all, it don't taste the same. It don't. It's like a whole different. Oh, that's still hot. Like a whole different thing. I'm gonna put this in here for 5 minutes. No. 7 minutes. So I'll be back to y'all in 7 minutes. I had to clean up something real quick. I might just put it in there for 4 more minutes. I'll be back to y'all because I did leave a little bit. Yeah. Alright, y'all. It just had dinged. Oh my god, y'all farther than I thought y'all was. But anyway, just wait till I get my little tripod or whatever because I don't be having nobody to record me. They selfish self. And my ring light. I got the money, but I just don't be having time to be going to Walmart because my mom worked 2 jobs at the same day. So we really don't have that much time. So oh, the paper's still in here. Woo. Well, I've been watching me. So this is what it looks like. Give you up close. This is what it looks like. Does it still have juice? Let's see. Gotta. Ugh. Bro, if you don't cut, I think it cuts this. Okay. Perfect slice. Still attached. Okay. So, as I said, the pickle did not taste the same. It tasted like onion booties. So, let's see about this orange. It actually tastes sweeter though. That was enjoyable. I don't know what it was, but it's good. The other orange was okay, but this one right here is something else. It's actually good. I'm not being weird. I'm for real. It's actually good. Anyway, next. So what I got is this slice of apple and this thing. Go in. Okay. I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. Cause yeah. As you know, the apple that I had that was in the microwave is actually right here. See, I don't waste the food. I just like waste food. I actually do eat some. It was actually good, but let's see, because you know the orange was good too in that one, but that pickle, the only thing that was disgusting was that pickle. It tasted like onion booties, like I said. I don't even know. I never had a raw onion or an onion booty. So yeah, I'll be back when 5 minutes is over because that's a long wait. I'm not gonna wait. That's just normal. All right. Calm down. I'm going. So the 5 minutes is now over. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear it? It's still good. Ooh, hold on. Oh no. Don't make me grab my seasoning salt. Y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, I'm gonna get a piece. Right here. It smells, I don't know what it smells like. Let me try it. It's actually more harder. Like, probably, like when you feel the juice, that's when it gets sweet. Is it better than the other one? Indeed it is. You got that right. It is. It really is. So, we just got one last thing. And one last thing is these cookies. Alright, I'll be back. See you guys in for 5 minutes. Yeah, I need a camera set up around. I need like a real tripod. It's heating now. So yeah, I'll be back to y'all when it dings. So it dings, and I'm kind of a little bit afraid because it smells kind of burnt. It's not. Let me get it out. This is the last one. And like this video if I should do more of these, or different types of food, or trying different types of, or trying like different types of food. Ooh. And stuff like that. So I'm gonna put my chair up. Ow. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I think y'all can. So, alright. It's actually soft. Ooh, look at that. Y'all. That looks so much better than the last one. I'm gonna insert a clip. Right there. That looks so much better. Y'all. It's actually, I feel like that it's more better fresh. Like, I feel like this, it tastes so fresh. Like, hot. It looks so good. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you just didn't. I don't know why. Try my best or whatever. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. If you can't comment, you can comment on either of my other videos. I don't know, but they just said with my comments. But yeah, y'all stay tuned because I'm going to be dropping another video today and maybe tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, peace out.